you have this line, or equals 8 plus 2 lambda minus 4 minus lambda minus lambda, and or equals 4 plus a mu minus 5 minus 2 mu, and 11 plus b mu.
Can you just use x and y?
For what?
U and
Nah, come on, try and use them. The lines are perpendicular. If the lines are perpendicular, that means dot product of 2 minus 1 minus 1 dotted with a minus 2b should equal 0. So that means 2a plus 2 minus b should equal 0. So that means b minus 2a should equal 2. That's the first part done. The second part is they intersect. Find the values of lambda, mu, a and b. So if they intersect, you have 8 plus 2 lambda equals 4 plus a mu, minus 4 minus lambda equals minus 5 minus 2 mu, minus lambda equals 11 plus b mu. Why are you so late? Come back in 10 minutes. Now what's a bit difficult here is you have 4 equations with 4 on... Oh, is he just going to wait outside? Daniel! Come in! Right, so the problem here is you've got 4 unknowns and 4 equations. So it's a little bit difficult to solve. In fact, look at how many marks it is. 9 marks. So we need to think very carefully about how we're going to solve this. If I just write the 4 equations out side by side, minus 2a plus b equals 2. No, I won't change the order. I'll just keep them the same. b minus 2a equals 2. 8 plus 2 lambda equals 4 plus a mu. Minus 4 minus lambda equals minus 5 minus 2 mu. And minus lambda equals 11 plus b mu. So the question is, how do we put these together to solve? The first equation has a and b in it. The second one has a mu lambda, mu lambda, mu lambda b. The first one will let me get the b in terms of a. So I suppose what I should do maybe is take this one here and put it into this. Then what I'll have is 3 equations. A mu lambda, a mu lambda.
And then you can use the first one.
Yeah. It's going to be long. So this one would become now 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one becomes minus lambda plus 11 plus 2 plus 2a mu equals 2 minus lambda plus 11. Well, no, that's actually really it. I'll just leave it like that. So now I have 3 equations with 3 unknowns. This one has lambda, a and mu in it. This one has lambda mu in it, and this one here has lambda a and mu. Now I think what I'll do next is in this equation I'll get a mu. So I could say a mu equals 4 plus 2 lambda, and in this equation no, maybe not.
Can we just all agree to skip this question?
No, bad Ali, bad. No, I want to think about the quickest way to do it, the smartest way to do
What
it.
about the third one? The third one doesn't have A or B in it.
1, 2, and I put that into that to make this one. That has lambda a mu, lambda mu, lambda a mu. Yeah, okay, so now I'll go with what I was doing. Here I'll get a mu equals 4 plus 2 lambda. And here I have to get a mu, so I need to kind of open it up a bit first. Minus lambda plus 11. No, that's not going to work either. Ah, this is long. I don't... Yes? That's painful. Yes? Oh, do you need to speak to them? Oh no, she's not in this class. Yeah, she doesn't. You'd have to wait. You'd have to wait till 11 to see her. Yes, yeah. I should have both groups here. Yeah. No. You have a wife? Which one? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Huh? The second and the third. Simplify them? Do I need to use this one? Should I delete this? The second and the third, okay. So how should I put these together? Cancel the mu?
No, the number 8 and 4. I think A mu is the left.
Yeah.
And then number 8 is the right.
Number what?
She wants you to add 8 and the 4. So it's going to be minus 1, right? Or just constant.
Add these?
No, don't add. Just simplify 2.
Make it okay.
Separate.
Simplify them separate. Okay, so here a mu equals 4 plus 2 lambda. Is that what you're saying? For this one?
2 lambda minus A mu equals minus 1.
Let's do this one now. There's enough thinking time. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, lambda, A, mu, lambda, mu. Wait, this is lambda mu and this is lambda mu.
B.
Oh, stupid B. Lambda, B, mu. The advice I give people when they're solving complicated problems is you look at which letter is least common. So which letter is least common in these 4? Well, we have 3 lambdas,
B.
we have 2 B's, 2 A's and 3 mu's. So I need to do something with the A's and the B's. This one has A and B in it, this one has A and B in it, this one has B in it. So if I use 1, that means I get B equals 2 plus 2A, and put this into 2 just into 2. So now I get 8 plus 2 lambda plus 4, sorry, I didn't mean to say 2, I meant to say 4. To turn the B into an A, yeah. Yeah.
Can you increase the lambda?
For which ones? Oh, just let me do it my way and see what happens. If you think of a quicker way, I'll give you a gold star. 8 plus 2 lambda equals 4 plus A mu, minus 4 minus lambda equals minus 5 minus 2 mu, minus lambda equals 11 plus B, which we said now is 2 plus 2A mu. Now let me just clean these up. This would be 4 plus 2 lambda equals A mu. This one here would be 1 minus lambda equals minus 2 mu, and this one here would be 11 minus lambda equals 11 plus 2 mu. No, I don't think there's anything I can do there. 11 plus 2 plus 2A mu. And this is now 1, 2, 3. What's wrong? With this, I just wrote them again but just cleaned them up. Like for example, here I have an 8 and a 4 I can put together. All I did was rewrite my 4 equations, except in the last one I can replace the B with 2 plus 2A, yeah. Okay, what letters are in this one? A, lambda mu, lambda mu, A, lambda mu. So which letter is least frequent now? Which is least frequent? A. Because we have 2 of everything else, don't we? So we need to do something about getting rid of the A. So I can use now 1 again, this new one, and I get A equals 4 plus 2 lambda over mu. And also I can use 3, and that, oh well, I'll have to expand it. Let me just put a box around this first. Minus, what's wrong?
I think the second question change the number to 1 plus 2 mu.
Yeah.
And we substitute the number
Into the first and the third? Yeah, but it might confuse me, so it's more difficult for me. I like this way because this way I don't have to think. I just look for which letter is least common and try to remove it from my list. So I get minus lambda equals 11 plus 2 mu plus 2A mu. So that means I get minus lambda minus 11 minus 2 mu equals 2A mu. So that means I get A equals minus lambda minus 11 minus 2 mu all over 2 mu. That's my A. Okay, so now that I've got my A, I can put that into 1 and 3 to get rid of A, and I'll just be left with lambda and mu. So, or I could make them equal and get, yeah, I'll make them equal. So this equals this. And don't forget, we haven't used number 2 yet as well. 4 plus 2 lambda over mu equals minus lambda minus 11 minus 2 mu over 2 mu. Now what's really, really, really nice is those mu's cancel, which is so nice because it makes it much cleaner. I get 4 plus 2 lambda equals minus lambda minus 11 minus 2 mu. So I get 3 lambda plus 2 mu is, let me take that over there, that's a minus 15. What did I forget? Oh, the 2 here. So I need to bring that 2 up there, don't I? Bring the 2 up there. 8 plus 4 lambda equals minus lambda minus 11 minus 2 mu. 5 lambda plus 2 mu equals minus 19. Yeah? Great. So now I have this, has lambda and mu in it, and don't forget I haven't used this one yet, so I can put them together. What have we got? 2 mu minus lambda plus 2 mu equals minus 1. Minus lambda plus, so this is me using 2. Minus lambda plus 2 mu equals minus 1, wasn't it?
Is this 1 minus?
I brought the mu to the left and the 1 to the right. Minus lambda plus 2 mu equals 1, yeah. Okay, to solve these we subtract 6 lambda equals minus 18. So that means lambda equals minus 3. Now that I have the lambda, I can get the mu by using, well, whatever formula I have, like this one for example. Minus 2, yeah, isn't it? Yeah, so then that makes mu equal minus 2. Now that I have the lambda and the mu, I should be able to find the a and the b, so I could use this one to find the a. Minus lambda minus 11 minus 2 mu all over 2 mu. So I get the a equals 1. And to get the b, I could use... Where? The first one, b equals 2... where did I write down? Here, use this one. b equals 2 plus 2a. b equals 4. It's long, it's painful, you have to think about it before you do it, but it's worth 9 marks. Go up. No, that's just the... No, this is the part of the solution. That's just the original 4 equations. This is where the solution starts. Yes? Minus lambda... Where? Minus lambda plus 2... Oh yeah, that one is coming from here. Minus lambda plus 2 mu equals minus 1. I just rearranged it. But I took that down to there. So my advice for these big complicated problems is you write down all your equations and whichever letter is the least common, try to do something to remove it. Yes?
When they're parallel, what kind of question can we ask?
I don't know. If they're parallel. They don't usually, it's usually perpendicular because you can't really do much with parallel. Show that P is on L1 and find the distance it is from the line L2. Yes. Yes. Can I scroll down? So we now have L1 is L1 is now 8 plus 2 lambda minus 4 minus lambda and we want to show that this point 10 minus 5 minus 1 is on the line. So if this point is on this line, what should the lambda equal to make these numbers match? 1. For example, how can you make minus 1 equal minus lambda? If it's 1, so let's check it. 8 plus 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1, what does that equal? 10 minus 5 minus 1. So we've shown that this point is on L1. There's L1. Now, we didn't need to work it out in the last part, but we haven't worked out where the two lines meet, which is what we did in the last part. So in my answer for the last part, if we take these numbers here and sub them in to any of the two, we can find out where they meet. So, whoops. What was my lambda in the previous part? What was it? Use lambda equals minus 3 gives me this point here where they meet. So let me see, that would make 8 minus 6 is 2, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 1, and 3. So we know this point here, and this point is also on the line L1. And they want the distance between L1 and the line L2, which in other words, they want the distance between these 2 points. They want the distance between this point and the distance between this point. This is the answer from part 2, and this is the one from part 3. So what's the distance between those 2 points? Well, if I call this one A and B, the distance between A and B is the length of AB, which is the length of B minus A, which is the length of minus 8, 4, 64, square root 80? No, not square root 80, square root 96. Yes? 80, which one? No, which one are we looking at? Are we looking at A or B? A, okay. So what are you asking me about A? Here? Oh, okay, yeah. Well, in fact, Sunita, if you did A minus B, you'd still get the right answer in the end. You might get different numbers here, but the final answer will be the same as well. So it's not actually a problem. I don't. Actually, here, Sunita, let's have a look at A minus B just to see. So A minus B will be 10 minus 2, which is 8. Minus 5, minus 1 is minus 4. And then minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So you see how the numbers are the same, but just a different sign? It doesn't actually matter because you're going to have to square them. So it'll be square root 64, 16, and 16. So it's still the same answer. I want to check this answer. Because that was a tough one. That was a tough one. So what year am I looking at here?
About 10, 11.
And version 2 mark scheme B4. Now, if we got the last answer right, it means that all the previous work was right. No, don't do this on me. No. Well, actually, I think it's more my computer is falling apart because now the speakers don't work. Yeah. Well, they do, but they're really crackly. Sometimes it doesn't turn on. I think I'm just wearing it down from using it so much. Yes. So I don't think it was ever intended to be used to record videos and convert them and to upload them and to all this high intense processing. Come on.
Oh, this is not like very laggy.
Oh, dude. You know what, hang on, let me stop the recording to free up some resources. Uh-oh.